We have 3 teepees that we're gonna put up.
There's different styles of teepees too. There's really big ones, of course, really short ones.
Ni Maiski, Wanishash Lorraine Sapa, Ku Tananwanich Ashwa Tisatomai. Good morning. Glad to see you. My name is Lorraine Sapa. My Indian name is Tisatomai. We decided that we wanted to do something a little different this year, so we added teepees. And we decided to put 3 teepees up for the 3 tribes.
You guys go ahead and come on down and line all these poles up.
Where we're Confederated Tribes of Warm Springs with the Warm Springs, the Wasco, and the Paiute, which we teach here the 3 languages, the Warm Springs Ichishkin, the Wasco Kikst, and the Paiute Numu. Our vocabulary list this week was about teepees and putting them up.
And work together as a team. Use communication.
I wanted these guys all these students to be able to put up a teepee and to be able to have that in their memories.
Nick Maiski, Wanishashmari. I'm 7th grade, taking Ichishkin.
Nick Maiski, Wanishash Matea, Tan Wanish Ashwa Petite. I'm in 8th grade and I'm taking Ichishkin.
Now take your guys' corner right there.
It was fun.
Inspirational. Just getting to learn another part of our culture, I guess.
Actually learning how to do other things.
As we came through, they used to be out of hide, deer hide, elk hide, putting them together and making a home for us.
So the middle people are going to pull.
With the Warm Springs tribe, we used tule mats and did the same thing, building teepees the same way.
Let us slide, you guys. That's your job. Good job.
We had Speak Thunder Barry come in today.
All right, there's our tripod.
To guide the students through putting up the teepees.
Grab it.
Hold on.
I'm really glad that he volunteered to come in and guide the students today.
We're all going to have to work together on this part. So this part is really important. And then I always like to put a slip knot in.
Naganania Jalen. I'm in 8th grade and I'm taking the Numu Paiute.
Nick Maiski, Wanishash Aiden.
Keep coming. Line it up.
In me grade is 7 and I'm taking the interesting class. What I learned today is that you had to have good thoughts when you're putting up and taking down a teepee. My favorite part was getting the poles because I got to carry them.
Putting up like the covering part over the poles.
It's putting the canvas on because it involved more people and just had everyone participating.
Because it actually looked like a teepee after the canvas.
It feels good because it means that we're representing the 3 tribes.
I think it'll bring them good memories in their future that they actually got to put up a teepee and be part of it and seeing every step to do in order to put up a teepee. So I think they'll remember this for a long time.